In a cozy kitchen, bright and neat, lived Coco the cat with tiny feet. A Persian fluff with snow-white fur, and a chef's tall hat, yes, all for her. Each morning sharp at 8:30, she'd stretch and yawn, I mustn't be late. With apron tied and whisk in paw, she'd stir and mix without a flaw. Today she purred, I'll bake with cheer, some oat banana muffins here. She mashed and stirred with such delight, flour dust flew left and right. She chopped up fruits with gentle grace, a blueberry bounced across her face. She giggled soft, her tail went swish, then gently placed them in a dish. While muffins baked, she sang a tune, dancing round with the wooden spoon. Healthy food is super cool, it gives me strength to jump and rule. The timer dinged, they're done, she said. She placed the tray near window's edge. The smell went floating down the street, and neighbors came for something sweet. A bunny bear and little pup all lined to get their breakfast cup. Coco smiled, come take a bite. They're warm and sweet and just so